tonight, the Berlin Wall. In the early morning hours of August 13, 1961, East German workers began erecting wire barricades along the line separating East and West. Wire, brick, and concrete. Wall followed. They were designed to stop the flood of East Germans seeking a new life in the West. They wanted to keep everyone in. The wall was part of more than 800 miles of minefields, wire entanglements, and sentry posts, which physically divided Germany. In the fall of 1989, democratic reform movement swept Eastern Europe. In November of '89, 28 years after its construction, the Berlin Wall was torn down by the Germans from both east and west. The destruction of the wall was one of many events which signaled the end of the Cold War. And this, my friends, is an actual piece. We're here outside of the museum, and this is a piece of the Berlin Wall that was torn down. Tear down that wall.